subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has silently launched its new G series smartphone in the European market called Moto G24. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G24 features a 6.56-inch HD+ display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Moto G24 is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163 by 75 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G24 has been priced in Europe at €129, and it will be available in matte charcoal, ice green, blueberry, and pink lavender color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G24 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.